He doesn't look much like a physical threat to me.
He was in distress.
No thanks to you lot.
I don't think you understand just how serious this is. Brian is a prime suspect in a potential murder case.
What? Brian? What have you done?
Do you have a solicitor?
Will I need one?
You might do. Come on.
Ooh, let's have a look. Okay. Oh, he's nice.
He looks like he'd keep me in his basement.
He's a doctor.
Yeah, so is Joseph Mengele.
Okay. Of course. I used to play this for your dad. He used to love it. It'd calm him down when he had one of his moods.
Don't recognise it.
That's because I hate the bloody thing. But he loves it, so I grit my teeth.
I wrote something.
Go on then, dazzle me. He gets cross sometimes, you know. Silly things I've said, or if I forget to do something for him. He's just stressed, I think. I could probably do more to support him. I'm probably not a very good wife. Did you put this with my other makeup?
What's that?
It's a lipstick, but it's not mine.
What do you mean?
It was with my other makeup, but it's not mine.
You sure?
100%.
I don't know. I mean, it's not mine, right?
Well, then how did it get in with my stuff?
I don't know. Maybe it's your sister's.
My sister hasn't been here for a month, and this isn't even her colour. Yes?
I'm Barun Rai. I'm working with the police. Is Brian in?
He's done nothing wrong. I keep telling you lot. Not even nicked any sweets lately.
No. It's not about that. I hear he's a photographer. I'm interested in taking a look at some of the pictures he's taken.
You're as bad as her.
Who?
You're not having his photos, so get out of here. Stop pounding him.
Although the arrest for theft could have been far worse, you know.
Just like her.
I can get a search warrant if you're going to make this any more difficult.